Turkish marshmallow.
Turkish Delight and marshmallow.
Okay. So nice. What is this? Mayo mayo. Mayo mayo. I really like this cup. It's so nice. Wow. So many things. Thank you. Okay guys, good morning. I don't know about you, but when I'm thinking about Turkish delights, I'm thinking about the movie Narnia, when this queen asked the small boy if he wants something.
Anything you'd like to eat?
And he answered,
Turkish Delight?
Turkish Delight. And this is what this movie is going to be about. Because now I am in a branch called Turkish Delights. It's like a cafeteria or a small shop where you can buy Turkish sweets, and they have many things, and today I will try many things, inshallah. Yeah, so I'm very excited. I have never tried this, like the real Turkish delights. I have tried some things similar, and we have some things in Norway that's kind of similar, but it's not the same. So today I'm very excited because I'm going to try this, like the real stuff. Yeah, that's it. Yalla bida. The first thing I got is this, like this. I don't remember the name of it because it's a little bit hard to pronounce, but it's like a cake with something inside. I don't know exactly what it is, but it looks interesting. It's something new, so I will try to eat and see. Okay. Wow. Look. It's like this. Okay, so the taste on this was a little bit different than what I expected. I was thinking that this was like sweet, like a dessert or something, but it's more like a... it's very good. It's more like a... I don't know. Do you eat it for... burek. Yeah, but do you eat it for breakfast or lunch or dinner?
Breakfast and dinner.
Okay.
Okay, same. Breakfast with Turkish tea.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Turkish tea.
Ah, okay, yeah. Okay, so he just explained that this is something they eat for lunch or breakfast, and they eat it with some Turkish tea. So I was thinking that this was like a cake or torta or something like that, but it's not. It's something different. And what is it? What is it called?
Called sabli. Sabli.
Sabni?
Sabli. Sabli.
Sable.
Sabli.
Sable.
Cheese.
So difficult to say.
Sabli in English.
Sable.
Okay.
Like this. It's like a bread, like small bread. Maybe like a cookie or something. I will try it right now. Wow. And there is some things inside, but I don't know exactly. But the taste is good. It's I have never tried this before, but I like it. تمام. شكرا جدا. أهلا بك. Wow. So many things. Thank you.
Gute Nacht.
Ah, that's German. That's German. Good, god natt in Norwegian. Yeah, god natt.
Gute Nacht.
God natt.
In Germany, gute Nacht.
Gute nacht.
Yes.
Okay.
Ja, gute
Wie dit
Nacht.
kallim
Kan man
Almani?
sagen,
Cheese.
Is this with cheese?
Yeah, cheese or pistachio.
Okay.
One of them cheese and the other one is this is cheese.
Wow.
This is pistachio, okay? But you better to eat it warm.
Warm. Okay, so I have to try now.
Some of
Okay, with ice cream. Okay. So now I get some pistachio here on the. I don't remember the name. What is it called?
in Arabic kunafa.
Kunefa.
In Turkish katayf.
Okay, kunefa. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I got this ice cream, and they say I have to eat the ice cream with the kunefa because now the kunefa is warm. It's still warm. This is the kunefa. You can see it has pistachio on the top, and it's crispy. And this one has nuts inside, and this one is cheese or something. I'll try it now. Okay, it's the first time I try this. It looks very nice. Helwa gidan. It's very good. Wow, this is so nice.
You going to YouTube? Or?
Yeah, it's going to YouTube.
What's your channel?
Do you want to have my channel? Yeah, it's everything is about Egypt.
Oh, yeah. Talk about you, right? Yeah.
You have internet now?
Yeah, this is working and then
Yeah.
this is for here.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put your name or Adun.
You did. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, nice to meet you.
It's Turkish coffee. Wow, this you have to see. This is so cool. This cup with the coffee inside. Actually, this color or this material is like in the movie. This one has pistachio inside. It looks so nice. Wow. Look at me. Oj. Look at this one. Turkish coffee. Strong but good.
Turkish Delight and marshmallow.
Okay.
This is different taste Turkish marshmallow Spanish. Sweet. But this is not marshmallow Spanish, marshmallow Turkish.
Okay.
Turkish.
Marshmallow
Different
Turkish. Okay.
Material different.
This one here is Turkish Delight and Turkish marshmallow or something like that. Red, yellow, white. Beautiful. It's like candy. Like candy. Very good candy. It's like candy. It's like candy. Very sweet.
Same
Wow.
candy, but this is soft.
Yeah, soft candy. مية 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 كل حاجة مية مية I promise you. أنا متأكد كل حاجة مية مية. I guess you guys are super jealous at me now when you are watching this video on YouTube. Go and just try it yourself. Maybe you don't have to order all this because it's a lot of things and now I'm like, oh, very full. But you can try some things. Can you maybe take a picture? Like of everything?
Ready?
Ready? I'm very lucky because they invited me to come here because it's a new place and they want to show this place to the Egyptian people, and then they invited me to come here and I'm so happy and I'm so lucky, and I just want to say thank you Turkish Delight for inviting me here. Yeah, that's it.